So here's the Porter cable impact I was just telling you about. Now it's getting, there it goes. Okay. It will slip out sometimes, but I've got it where it'll hold it for the most part. Anyways, now that I've got it out of there, I'm going to show you. On this right here, there's a little clip, and there's some videos out that I've watched for some other tools similar to this, different brands and such. But this little ring right there where the end of my fingernail is, you take your little screwdriver and pull backwards on that, and that'll pop right out. And that washer that you see right there comes off. Once you get that off, you have a spring that comes right out along with this chuck cover. And this right here is the issue that you have with most of these tools once they get wore out and they won't hold a bit. It has that little spring right there and a ball bearing. And what this does is that spring right there, it's supposed to hold that to the very top. And what happens is that spring will break, and when it breaks, it'll no longer hold the bit. I haven't replaced the spring yet, but I was able to pull it out and bend it just enough that it'd hold it back in there. The problem that I'm having, the reason why it ain't working properly, is because I can't get this piece here to set back down in there just right like it's supposed to in order for it to work the way it was doing to start with. But it's working better. It's sometimes holding a bit rather than never, so that's better than what I had. But anyways, if you like this, comment, subscribe, tell me what I said wrong. Like I said, I'm new to this. Y'all have a Merry Christmas.